Okay, let's have a look at another question on functions. We're given two functions. Here's f of x and here's g of x. And in the first part of the question, we're asked to show that g of f of x is equal to 2x, x plus 2. So with this notation, we have to work from the inside out. We're going to be putting x into the f box first. So this must be the g box. The first part is easy because if we're going to shove the ordinary input of x into the f box, we're going to get x plus 1 squared coming out. The g box, on the other hand, is expecting x on its input, but it's not getting x on its input, it's getting x plus 1 all squared on its input. So wherever there's an x here, I'm going to have to write x plus 1 squared. So out of the chain of the two boxes will come 2. Now another bracket, because this is going to be x plus 1 squared minus 1. So what we're going to have to do is simplify that, and hopefully it will equal what the question has suggested. So we've got 2, and I'm going to do a square bracket to make it easier. X plus 1 multiplied by x plus 1 minus 1. The brackets will multiply normally, and we get 2. I'm going to keep that square bracket. X squared. Now the underneath, so we get an x here and another x there, so this is plus 2x plus 1, and conveniently minus 1. And this will equal 2 x squared plus 2x, and that will factorize to what the question has suggested, which is 2x, x plus 2. Okay, that's the answer to part A. Let's have a look at part B. So we've just got the g box on its own. So working normally, it's expecting an input of x, and the output would be 2x minus 1. Now they're asking us to find the inverse function and then plug in a value of 7, which means we've turned the box round. So effectively, x is coming in the input here, and we need to work out what the output will be going the wrong way through the box. Well, at this point, we bring back y, because we express the ordinary direction of the box in terms of its output y and its input x. So the output in normal conditions is 2x minus 1. Now we're going to turn the box round, which means its output will become its input and its input will become its output. And the best way we can do that is to make x y and y x. So we get. Now we've got to make y the subject. And to do that, we've got to split this bracket apart. And we get x is equal to 2y minus 2. Now let's write it round the other way. So this is 2y minus 2 is equal to x. We need to make y the subject, so we need to get rid of this 2 by adding 2 to both sides. It will appear on the other side with the x, but now positive. So we get 2y is equal to x, which hasn't moved, plus 2. Therefore, y is equal to x plus 2, now all divided by 2. Now we can bring back the function notation, and we can say g to the minus 1 of x is equal to what we've got up here, and that is the inverse function of g. So all that remains for us to do is to put the value of 7 they've suggested as the x value into here and work out the answer. So I can say that g to the minus 1 of 7 is equal to 7 plus 2 over 2, which is equal to 9 over 2. And that is your answer.